Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the device radio is active and close enough to the target area. Once done, open a Wi-Fi analyzer or your OS scan utility and run a full sweep to capture raw beacons. Make sure to note visible SSIDs, channels, and signal strengths as a baseline. This helps spot anomalies. If you see multiple BSID on one channel, mark them. This first pass collects the evidence you will compare against deeper scans. Next, switch to passive capture mode to read management frames without transmitting. You want to inspect beacon and probe response frames for empty or null SSID fields. Hidden networks still broadcast BSID and capabilities. Once you identify consistent BSID patterns and channels, correlate timestamps and signal variations to confirm a persistent hidden SSID. If legally allowed in your jurisdiction, use directed probe techniques carefully to elicit a probe response and reveal the SSID. Otherwise, rely on longer. Finally, attempt to verify the candidate SSID by configuring a controlled device with the expected security type and key, connecting only after confirming legitimacy. Once connected, validate network behavior and services to ensure it is the intended target and not a rogue access point. Make sure to retest at different spots and times to confirm persistence. If you fail to reveal the SSID, increase capture duration, change antenna orientation, or move closer. That troubleshooting step often uncovers weak or intermittent broadcasts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.